Same product, two different cooking methods, two distinct tastes. Stay with me and let's find out the best method of roasting peanuts, also known as groundnuts. First, winnow the nuts to remove unwanted chaff, pebbles, and spoiled nuts, simply known as picking process. The two methods are oven baked versus salt roasted peanuts. The end product is basically the same, but the taste is totally different. Step 2. Into a bowl of clean room temperature water, wash the nuts, or let's call it a quick rinse to remove dirt and dust. Step 3. Remove from the rinsing bowl and into another bowl as shown. Once done, salt up the peanut and mix in well to season. You can as well skip this step if you don't consume salt. Let's sit for a few minutes for the salt to be absorbed. Step 4. This is where the process begins to vary for both methods. For the oven method, the peanuts go onto a baking tray and evenly spread them for even roasting, while for the salt method, the peanuts are put on a tray or mat, covered with a food net and left to dry in the sun. This is because if you start roasting immediately, the peanuts will absorb more or excess salt, making them unfit for consumption. The oven option goes into the oven without preheating, but please note, turn on the fan option to fan out excess moisture. The temperature depends on the quantity of the peanuts. For the salt option, have your source of heat. I'm using a charcoal stove. Into a kadai, preheat the salt, then put in the already salted and dried peanuts. The oven option is hands-free. It does not need constant supervision, while the salt option needs full attention from beginning until they are ready. Requires constant mixing for even cooking. As you can see, once done, you have to quickly remove from the hot salt onto a cooling tray. The verdict: both of them are well roasted and crunchy, but if you remove the outer cover, you'll notice that the oven-baked peanuts are not evenly cooked, while the salt roasted nuts are well browned evenly. For the taste, as a foodie, I'd go with the salt roasted. The disadvantage is it takes a lot of time. There you have it, folks. Make a choice and let me know what you think on the comments section. Thanks for watching and see you on the next